the solution for this example. So first we're going to build it individually, and then I'm going to combine it into one. So the first thing we want to do is I want to be able to enter a percentage that will then work out what row it is. So for that we can use the match function. So what we're going to say is, please look up that number in this array here, put the dollar signs on, and the match type, I'm going to put a false or a 0. So that does the 3. Now I want to know where in this array does the 120 appear. So again, we're going to do a match. I'm going to say look for that in this area here with dollar signs. And again, I'm going to put a false or a 0. So we now know that if we type anything here, Excel will find what row and column it is. Let's now use our index. We're going to use the first one, the array. We need to make sure this array ties in with what we're about to give it. What row number must it use? We're going to tell it to look there. I'm going to put dollar signs in. What column? Look there, put dollar signs in. And when I say OK, it gives me 13,083. So if you look here, 13,083. What's beneficial about this is I can now say let's try 300. The 300 makes that change to a 5. That then looks elsewhere, and you'll see it pulls through that number over here. So this is basically us creating a VLOOKUP via a match and index. Now if you want, you can do this in one go. So what I'm going to do, just to make my life easier, I'm just going to copy the contents of that and just put it here. And now I know that where this one here referred to D26, the cell here, I'm going to go to D26, copy what I have in there without the equal sign, come back here, and where it should go to D26, I'm going to replace it with what I copied. And then similarly with D27, I'm going to go to D27, copy it without the equal sign, escape, and replace D27 with what we've done. And now you've created a lookup that can go across columns and rows in one go.